satisfying slime video. Let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off with the slime. Let's go. And boom. Sorry about that. Okay, okay, let's do another part of the satisfying slime. Okay, we're gonna just make that heart plane. Oh. No, this is the worst part. Destroying it. Let's flip this over and make another heart. Another one. 2, nope, 1 heart, okay. Now we're going to be making a crown. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Now we're going to be making a Play-Doh mold. Well, okay, let's... Oh my goodness. Thank you guys all for watching, and yes, I'm in a virtual reality. Oops. For no reason, just no reason, you know? Okay, bye!